Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to show you on how you can solve the error that says the file is too large for the destination file system. You may experience this when you want to copy a file that is larger than 4 GB. For example, I'm trying to copy this file which is 4.3 GB to my USB drive. So once I try to paste it, then it gives me this error that says the file is too large for the destination file system. So normally it's because the file is more than 4 GB and the USB drive is formatted using FAT32, as you can see from the properties. So to solve this, just simple, you need to format the drive, whether it is external hard disk or USB. You need to format it using NTFS system or exFAT. So you just right click, just go to this PC, right click on the USB or the drive you want to format, then click format, and then now change the file system from FAT32 to exFAT, or you can also choose NTFS. Any of this will do. Then you just make sure that you have ticked quick format and then you click on start, and now this one will erase all the data. So make sure that you have a backup for your files before doing this operation. So click OK and the format is complete. So if I try to paste the file again, now this one will start copying the file to the USB drive. So that's how simple you can solve that error that the file is too large for the destination file system. I hope you have liked this video till the end. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.